Oh, oh no! My radio is working, but now it's not. Uh-oh, what did I do? Alright, anyways, we're out here in the woods, in the wild country. Second gear autopilot. Over here getting ready to see the lake. Oh, is my noise reduction on? I don't know. Probably. There's the water. There you go. Kind of fixed the radio. Oh, I can't play that on there. What do you think, girl? You want to go out on that lake? Go out here and get some rocks. Uh-oh, got a rough spot here. Navigate through there. Wow, there's my old rock pile. Can hardly even see it. Few left over there, but I'm going for my big one today that I pulled out the other day. Let's see if it's still up there. So, looks like my rock's still there. And I brought my chainsaw so I can get rid of this thing that hits my tailpipe, and it is a pretty good sized rock there. There we go. I trimmed the bush back a little bit there, so now you can see that nice honking rock. So I gotta cut this and back it up in here. Can we get these out of here? Yes, sirree, bub. I got her all trimmed up real nice. Got her all backed in there fine and proper. My brush pile's kind of growing over here. But yeah, I got it backed in there. Got the tailgate supported. Got everything ready to go. I do not have a tripod today. I'm going to try to set this up. Alright, let's see how she goes. I think that's pointed the right direction. Wait, no, maybe she go over there a little bit. Something like that. Okay, I guess we're just gonna go for this. Now, Well, managed to put a dent in my tailgate. Came down a round side on the Dolly and did not place on the cart very well. Alright, well that last rock was really huge and got a little out of control. So let's try it again here, see if I can get this positioned. Alright. Take two, smaller rock. Smaller. Not much smaller. The other way, dog. Scram. Scram. Get. Watch it. Watch it. Get. Get. Scram. Get out of here. Get. There, that's how it's supposed to work.